Understanding Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA stands for Fulfillment by Amazon. It allows you to sell products on Amazon without handling storage or shipping. You send your products to an Amazon warehouse. Amazon stores and ships them to customers. This makes selling on Amazon much easier. Think of it as having a giant online store handle everything. You list your products and Amazon takes care of the rest. This includes packing, shipping, and customer service. Amazon FBA is a great option for entrepreneurs. It's also great for anyone who wants to make extra money. It's a powerful platform with a wide reach. You can sell almost anything on Amazon. If you're looking for a way to make money online, Amazon FBA is a great option. Amazon FBA offers numerous benefits for sellers. One of the most significant advantages is simplified logistics. You don't need to worry about the complexities of shipping and handling. Amazon takes care of it all, freeing up your time and resources. Another major benefit is access to Amazon's massive customer base. With millions of active shoppers worldwide, Amazon provides a vast platform to showcase and sell your products. This global reach can significantly boost your sales potential. Moreover, Amazon FBA enhances your listing's visibility. Products fulfilled by Amazon are eligible for Prime shipping, a major draw for customers. Prime members often prioritize Prime-eligible products, giving you a competitive edge. In addition, Amazon handles customer service and returns for FBA orders. This takes a significant burden off your shoulders, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. Amazon's trusted customer service also reflects positively on your brand. Starting your Amazon FBA journey is straightforward. Begin by creating an Amazon seller account. You can choose between an individual or a professional account based on your sales volume. Next, select the products you want to sell. Conduct thorough market research to identify profitable niches and products in demand. Consider factors like competition, profit margins, and product sourcing. Once you've chosen your products, source them from reliable suppliers. You can find suppliers through online platforms like Alibaba or attend trade shows to connect with manufacturers directly. After securing your inventory, create optimized product listings on Amazon. Use high-quality images, compelling product descriptions, and relevant keywords to attract potential buyers. Accurate information and appealing presentation are crucial. Section 4. Strategies for success, tips to thrive in the Amazon marketplace. Thriving in the competitive Amazon marketplace requires strategic planning and execution. Researching profitable products is crucial. Look for products with high demand, low competition, and good profit margins. Tools like Jungle Scout can help you analyze product data. Optimizing your product listings is equally important. Use relevant keywords in your product title, bullet points, and description. High-quality images and videos can significantly enhance your listing's appeal. Managing your inventory effectively is essential. Avoid stockouts by forecasting demand and replenishing your inventory promptly. Overstocking can lead to storage fees and tie up your capital. Engaging in marketing and promotion is crucial for driving traffic to your listings. Utilize Amazon's advertising platform, run social media campaigns, and explore influencer marketing to increase brand visibility and sales. Section 5. Real-world examples, success stories, and learning experiences. Countless entrepreneurs have achieved remarkable success through Amazon FBA. One inspiring example is a stay-at-home mum who turned her passion for homemade candles into a thriving business. Another example involves a college student who started selling phone accessories online. These success stories highlight the potential of Amazon FBA. However, challenges and learning experiences are part of the journey. Adapting to market trends is crucial. Section 6. Conclusion: Embracing the potential of Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA presents a remarkable opportunity for individuals to embark on their entrepreneurial journeys. It's a platform that empowers you to build a successful business by leveraging Amazon's vast infrastructure and customer base. Don't be afraid to take the first step. Start by identifying a product niche that excites you. Conduct thorough market research, source reliable suppliers, and create compelling product listings. Embrace the learning process, adapt to market trends, and never stop experimenting. The world of e-commerce is constantly evolving, and Amazon FBA provides a gateway to tap into its immense potential. With dedication, perseverance, and a customer-centric approach, you can achieve remarkable success in the dynamic world of online retail. Remember, every successful Amazon seller started right where you are now, at the beginning. Embrace the journey, stay committed to your goals, and watch your entrepreneurial dreams flourish.